To showcase the versatility of the MIRkey and EHSM as a general-purpose hardware security key, this how-to guide will show you how to use it as a second-factor authentication device for Facebook. First, install the EHSM Manager. The latest version can be downloaded from the ellipticSecure website. Now, go to your Facebook security and login settings. Scroll down to Use Two-Factor Authentication and click Edit. In the next dialog box, click on Get Started. It is now time to choose your security method. We recommend the Authentication App option. Please follow the steps on our website under the heading Using the MIRkey for 2FA Authentication. Using the MIRkey will add an extra layer of security as it prevents anyone accessing your account using your mobile number. Click Next. Two-factor authentication is now on. Click Finish. Next, navigate to Security Keys and click Setup. Insert your MIRkey and press the button on the device. You have successfully added your MIRkey security key. Easy, fast, secure.